Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for software that can organize, edit, enhance, and present your entire photo collection without switching between multiple applications, then today's video is for you. In this review, we're taking a closer look at Ashampoo Photo Commander 18, an all-in-one photo management and editing solution designed for photographers, content creators, and everyday users alike. Let's see what it has to offer. Ashampoo Photo Commander 18 is much more than a simple photo editor. It combines photo management, image enhancement, batch processing, slideshow creation, and creative design tools into one intuitive application. Instead of installing separate software for organizing, editing, converting, and presenting your images, Photo Commander brings everything together in a single workspace. Whether you have a few hundred photos or an entire archive containing thousands of images, the software is designed to help you stay organized while making photo editing quick and enjoyable. One of the first things you'll notice is the refreshed interface. Version 18 introduces a cleaner design, adaptive layouts, faster folder scanning, and significantly improved thumbnail loading. Even large photo libraries feel responsive while browsing. The software also supports modern image formats, including AVIF, SVG, WEP, updated RAW camera formats, and Photoshop PSD files, making it compatible with today's photography workflow. Managing thousands of photos can quickly become overwhelming. Fortunately, Photo Commander 18 includes powerful organization features that make finding images incredibly simple. You can organize photos by date, location, rating, keywords, albums, calendar view, metadata, file type. The software also supports EXF and XMP metadata filtering, allowing you to search images using camera information, locations, comments, or custom tags. A particularly useful addition is the automatic duplicate finder. Using 4 different fingerprint technologies, it can accurately detect duplicate or nearly identical photos, helping you free up storage and keep your library clean. Photo Commander 18 offers a surprisingly complete editing toolkit. For everyday editing, you can crop images, rotate and straighten photos, resize pictures, adjust brightness and contrast, correct colors, modify saturation, tune gamma and temperature, remove red eye, sharpen images. For more advanced editing, you'll find tools like object removal with the InPaint tool, clone and repair brush, perspective correction, focus effects, tilt shift effects, artistic filters, color accent effects, live effect previews, one-click photo optimization. There's even automatic recovery for faded or overexposed photos, making old memories look much better with minimal effort. If you regularly edit dozens or even hundreds of images, batch processing becomes one of the software's biggest strengths. You can process multiple photos simultaneously by resizing, converting formats, rotating, applying filters, adding watermarks, adjusting colors, renaming files. Instead of repeating the same task over and over, Photo Commander automates the entire workflow, saving valuable time. Beyond editing, Photo Commander also includes creative tools that many dedicated editors don't offer. You can easily create beautiful photo collages, greeting cards, calendars, framed photos, HTML photo galleries, PDF albums, TIFF collections, 4K slideshows with music and transitions. The Slideshow Creator even supports multi-monitor presentations, allowing you to control your presentation on one screen while your audience views it on another. This makes it useful not only for personal memories, but also for business presentations and family events. If your camera or smartphone records GPS information, Photo Commander lets you organize photos by country, city, or street. You can also edit or manually add geotags, making it much easier to locate travel photos years later. Metadata editing is equally flexible, helping photographers maintain well-organized archives. Ashampoo Photo Commander 18 is fully compatible with Windows 11 and has been rebuilt with native 64-bit support for better memory management and overall performance. Whether you're editing single images or browsing massive photo collections, the software feels smooth and responsive. After testing the software, here are some standout advantages. More than 200 built-in photo features, excellent photo organization tools, fast duplicate image detection, powerful batch processing, supports many modern image formats, beginner-friendly interface, creative tools for collages, calendars, and slideshows, fast performance with native 64-bit support, lifetime license available with no subscription required. While Photo Commander 18 is packed with features, it's worth noting that it focuses on complete photo management rather than professional layer-based editing. If your work depends heavily on advanced compositing or professional graphic design workflows, dedicated applications may still be necessary. However, for most users, including hobby photographers, families, bloggers, students, and small businesses, Photo Commander offers far more than enough functionality in one convenient package. Overall, Ashampoo Photo Commander 18 is an impressive all-in-one solution for anyone who wants to organize, edit, enhance, and present their photos without juggling multiple programs. Its combination of powerful management tools, modern editing features, creative design options, fast performance, and user-friendly interface makes it one of the most complete photo management applications available today. If you're searching for a single application that can handle nearly every everyday photography task, Ashampoo Photo Commander 18 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future software reviews, tutorials, and exclusive deals. Also, let me know in the comments, what's the biggest challenge you face when organizing your photo collection? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.